Okay, so what we're doing now is we're trying to pull the engine, and to do that we have to build this crane. And there's a little problem. The bolts that should go here don't really fit. I don't know why. So we'll have to use this little thing to maybe widen the holes a little bit. I don't know if that's going to work. Anyway, let's try. So the funny thing is that these middle wheels right there, like those ones, they are not letting the holes right here to align, so that's why we cannot insert the bolt, because there are bolts that are holding these middle wheels. So what we did, we got rid of the wheel and now it sits perfectly aligned. So I don't know, interesting design, but okay, as long as it works. Right, so we have unhooked most of the electronics. We have unhooked the clutch cable, the exhaust clips. It's basically more or less ready to be lifted up. Now there are a few bolts here and there, and then we'll start lifting the engine. So I hope it goes well. Oh my god.
Made in China.
Made in China. So after battling, I don't know how many rusted out bolts and struts and all that stuff, we're finally ready to lift the engine. We have hooked the cherry picker, and now I guess it's the moment of truth. So the engine is almost out. We'll remove the hood because there is just not enough space right here. So we'll remove the hood and then we'll check in what else do we have to unplug to lift the engine, and it's pretty much there. So yeah, hope it all goes good. So after a long battle with all the rusty bolts and endless problems, we have finally managed to lift the engine out of our donor car. We sat the engine on a tire as it sits waiting for its next owner, hoping to serve as a new heart to a new car.